Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Ethan from Good Yard Hair. We are the leading manufacturers of the human hair products since 1984. Today I'm going to introduce you our new arrival, V-Lite Hair Extension Machine Kit. And now let's start from the first product, is the hair extension machine. So in this pack, it has one machine, and this card is helping you to separate your hair. And this is the UV rays protection board. And one pack with the cables and one head strap. So for this device, it has got the CE and FC certificates with 1 year warranty. And it's easy to use and also easy to carry. So this one can last like about 2 hours when it is fully charged. And now let's move to this hair extension glue. This glue is also certified, and it is in a 20-gram bottle and with 2 needles. And the needles can definitely help you to work more even and accurate. And this glue, it's the resin glue, which is environment friendly and also cause no harm and damage on your hair. So only one thing, after you use that, don't forget to put the caps back and store it in a cool and dry place. And now after you installed your hair extensions, we have to think about how to remove that. So the last part of this kit are the removal solutions. So in the big pack, it is the remover machine. And this machine is made of one clamp. And also with this remote, which can help you to adjust the temperature, also to switch on. So when you try to start heating it, you have to wait until the temperature is up to 120 degrees. And 2 meters long cable and 1 plug. The plug can be provided with the US and European standard. And another solution is this solvent. So just like you can use the both, or you can use either of them. And speaking of this solvent and this glue, if you have extra need that you want to buy more, you can also buy them from us too. Okay, so I hope you love this videos, and in the following videos, we're gonna show you how to use them in the real hair extension jobs. And if you have any questions, you can leave your comments, and remember to subscribe us and give us your likes. Thank you for watching.